Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Thursday, October 30th, and there's one more day left in October. And in the beginning of the month, or even into September, I told you that October is always the ugliest month of the year for the market. Sometimes it's a lot worse than others, and this was one of those. But the other important thing that I told you about October is that that's the month that the low is put in. And I think that's exactly how it's going to turn out. We've got one more day, it's Halloween, and it's the last day that you need to be afraid of anything. Because as each day reveals itself to me, I'm seeing more and more buyers in all these stocks. Less sellers and more buyers. And some of the buyers are actually stepping up to the plate and pushing these stocks up 5 and 8 and 9% in one day. And there's other buyers sitting on their hands who have now decided that, yes, the market looks cheap, they're finally coming to their senses, and they think that they probably should put some money into the stock market. But they're going to wait for the next 600 or 800 point drop, and that's when they want to get in. And that's one of the reasons why it's not going to happen, because there's too many people waiting for it so that they can buy into it. And I just see a lot of buyers around in a lot of these stocks. I'm not saying they can't pull back a little here and there, but the main thrust is this. I see buyers in almost every issue. Even stocks that I thought were expensive that should have rolled over have broken out, made new highs, NDN for one. So the market is, there's buyers around. It's the last day of October tomorrow. I just don't think we're going to make a low. We haven't broken out yet, but we're going to. And so tonight I'm going to do something different. I want to take advantage of this opportunity because there's just so many good-looking charts starting to pop up that I'm going to highlight two stocks tonight. One of them is JBL, and the other one's an old favorite of ours is FMD. There's plenty of room in my portfolio for these ideas, and I just want to take advantage of what I feel is a great opportunity here. So, and then we'll take a look at the major indexes. Like I said, no breakouts yet, but it's coming. There's just too many stocks acting too good for the breakout not to happen. But we'll take a look at all the indexes anyway, and we'll go over things that I've said about them, and let's see if they've come true so far. Anyway, let's get to our first idea because I'm limited to the time here. And the first idea is JBL, and the second one is FMD. So don't go away. I will be right back. All right, we're looking at a daily bar chart of JBL, Jabal Circuit. It's a semiconductor stock, okay? And if I can read my stats here. Okay, yeah, this is a call on the long side. We'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow between 869, where it closed, and maybe it might pull back a little bit for us. It may not. But down as low as 830, if you can get any down in that area, you'll be doing well. Target on the upside, $17.50. All the way back up. I expected to make this round trip all the way back up. Stop loss, a close below $7.01, which is a close below that level right there. You may even want to give that a little bit of a wiggle room. Okay, what do I see? Well, I'm sure you see it also. This is a great looking ascending triangle. And we've already got our first breakout. So this is almost picture perfect. I saw it developing, but I didn't, I waited for the breakout. So now any pullback down into this area, anywhere down in here, would be a great buy. It's just a good looking chart, okay? So let me repeat that. That's JBL. It's a call on the long side. When it's all said and done, we can make ourselves $8 or $9. This looks like it could be a double. Okay, so that's one idea. Let's move on to my second idea. First Marblehead. We've been in this before, and we've done pretty well, and now we're back again. This is a call on the long side. We're looking to buy this right around where it closed, $1.40. Give it take a couple pennies. Target on the upside, $4.50. This is almost like a 2 or 3. There's like a 300% profit in this if this works out the way I see it. Stop loss, a close below $1.17. That's a close below the old low, so there's not much risk there. So let me show you what I see here. It's this ascending triangle. It's forming off of. This was the original breakout. This is the pullback right to the support area. I know the support area is only a day, but that's the look. And now we're putting in an ascending triangle coming off the low again. So this is a good look. This is a very good look. And I think it's going to work out well for us. So let me recap that. That's First Marblehead. The symbol is FMD. This is a call on the long side. And I think we could probably make ourselves $3 in this. And this is only a $1.40 stock. So those are my two ideas, JBL and FMD for tomorrow. And I just want to take advantage of the opportunity here. So now let's go take a look at the major indexes. I'm not going to spend much time on these. Okay, this is our major support, and the more and more I think about this, and it reveals itself to me, is that this was the low, and this was the first rally, and this was a test, and this was a retest, and now we've come out of it. I don't think we're going to come back down here again. I think we're coming through top, because all the stocks I look at there's no weakness showing in them at all, and the stocks are what make up the averages. So if all the stocks look like they want to rally, I can't see why these averages aren't going to break out on the upside. Dow Transportation Average, I told you yesterday that this top of this closing day, this reversal day, is support. It should not close below it. It can trade below it, but it can't close below it. And you can see as what happened today, it didn't even penetrate it at all. So that theory is still holding up. This is our breakout price. Wow. And I believe we're going to get through that. Russell 2000, same look as the Dow Transportation Average. I also said about this. This also had that reversal there right here, and at the top, the closing price of that is our support, and that it's okay if it trades below it, but it can't close below it, and actually made a higher high than the day before. So this is starting to look encouraging also. SPY looks very much like the Dow. Okay, I just don't. This was the original low. This was our first rally. Test 1, test 2. And now I think we're going to come topside. I think you have to start looking at this market different than the bear market or the downtrend or whatever you want to call what we've gone through. This is a whole new Joe here. This is a whole new person. Starting from here, this is going to be a different market completely. You can't. I don't think you can. I think you have to change your mindset about how you're going to view this market. There's a switch that went on right in here. And I want everybody to make that mental switch also. QQQQs, same look. I believe they're going to break out. It may take a few more days. This double bottom, although it tested it and got sloppy down in here, it probably is going to play out where it is the bottom area. Even though it violated a little bit and it's a little sloppy, but we'll see in the next couple of days. I'm just starting to see so many good-looking chart patterns, and these stocks are down so much, and it's the end of October, and the next 6 months historically is the best time to make money in the market, and I expect the market to rally until May again, when we go back to the old sell in May and go away again routine. So I'm excited about the next 6 months, and I think there's a lot of bargains in the market. I think we should take advantage of it. So that's my outlook. We'll see if it plays out. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.